I am gooey. I don't know what this file was doing here. I never remembered this. Okay. Oh wow, it has this already. I'm gooey. I'm gooey crash. I think I know where to put this now. Not here, but I don't remember from before. Oh yeah, something to do with menu override. I need to practice making a mod every day. Some problems. Okay. That doesn't fix me hearing myself. Uh-oh. Okay. Whatever. It's probably the Razer driver. That's freaking... Okay. I'm gooey. I tried to put it into the MOTD HTML screen. Let's compile. So stupid. I mean, I should be good enough with VGUI since I have the shader editor compiled. I have nodes with that. It's like a double rabbit hole. code and recycle the same directory for the mod because you're testing a lot and you don't want to copy the assets. Yeah. As long as you're not like relying on the models or some other thing like, I don't know about particles, sounds, and materials and stuff, but you can crash without the models. Let's try the box. I don't know why that doesn't work. There's no PNG. It'd be cool to add PNG, but Valve disable it because you can crash server with 4 GB PNG. Cool. That was crash hack in TF2. They could have been done in another mod, but TF2 won by somebody being cool. What the hell? Okay, so it can't import, whatever. Stupid crap. Let's run show game mode. Okay, so we don't have anything here. Quit. Alright, so implement source I am GUI. What does this have? Blah blah blah. So if anybody hasn't used I am GUI, their implementation in OpenGL was missing a bunch of OpenGL standard library or standard calls, right? So that's why I need to make sure it can call everything in source. Video, DirectX, driver. Not really though. I'm gonna see how to draw it first. But I can open that project to show off. Actually, this is what I implemented, but I didn't know how to use. So that's it. See this. Oh, example, I am GUI app. Studio. Alright, Studio MDL. Draw. This is some really interesting crap. Alright. So, implementation file. Main. This one is a Half-Life like model viewer. What is this supposed to do? cycle float is time, and some function to draw the model in a position and update animation shun them with anime or something. Okay. This crap. Blah blah blah. I see this crashing. Not bad. Initialize entity as client entity. That looks right. It's like what pre-cache will call. I think on draw or draw instead of on tick, but whatever. Okay. Implementation source underscore new frame is not available. Why? What the? It's not here. That's stupid. Okay. This. Where is this? Yeah. It needs to have implementation file. Because it needs fonts. Right? To draw characters and stuff. Damn it. I'm GUI font. This adds a material into the references of textures and shader materials. It will it's not here, but why does my implementation even exist like this? It might not. It does. Does it ever get called? No. It does inside this. Render draw data. This does all the magic. Implementation in it. So, yeah. That's in here. Dear I'm GUI system, this should be a global context. What is it? It should be some shit. Yeah, this G underscore I'm GUI system. Once it's created, it's a static context. Oh, great. So this is the thing. Google, please. Yeah, I am GUI cheat engine plugin. It injects the DLL of games and hacks cheats for people. That's one useful way to add cheats to your own game. Whatever. By taking other people's hacks and using them as your features. Alright, here's Node Editor. We're trying to copy Unreal Engine here without using Unity because C++ 14. Alright, that's the first thing we need to check. What's C++? Alright, 14. Good. We're okay on that one. But first we need GUI to work. Damn it. Stress, coffee, tea. Tantrum. Lavish lifestyle entitlement. Epic Games? What? Engine? What's that doing there? Okay. I am GUI plugin for Unreal Engine? What the hell? Whatever. So, can we make this multiplayer since this is a source SDK multiplayer? I mean, how would we use Steam networking sockets if we made a lobby in order to make it true cloud multiplayer? Yeah. First, we would just get it to draw. And yeah. Open this again. This is just gonna require for me to build this offline. I mean, separately first. Blah blah blah. Okay, we can do that. That's not hard. We might as well start grinding in the background. easiest plugin to work first, but at first I need IAM to work first. Okay. New frame. Let's see if this just compiles. Whatever. Crash. Don't care. Okay. It hates everything. That's nice. That's just my code bad error. Not a problem. Okay. Why? Because I didn't do namespace. That's just BS. vGUI : So we're gonna have a mixture here of vGUI and IAM Cool. Alright, untick was already defined. We hate you. Alright, this untick does only this garbage logic to make it display and not display. So let's just copy paste it to here, right? He added it very stupidly. So he didn't ignore it, but the variable is the convar. Why did he use the convar? Dumbass. Let's get rid of this. This is kinda, we'll have to copy paste our old code, comment it out, and it should compile. Whatever. Alright. Unresolved external. The hell does this really say? It's saying something about untick being protected. Oh, render model GUI info never got declared. Oh, cool. So we've told it to do something that doesn't even exist. Okay, copy paste this crap, and then we get errors. Perspective matrix. Now, we don't have a function for that. Model render doesn't exist. I'm gonna cry right here. Oh well. That's not an issue.